Hi, I am Shekiptikar Rahman. I am a student of Jajban College. My major is Computer Programming Analyst. This is Applied Machine Learning Assignment 1. Fashion MNIST is an alternative to MNIST and another default dataset that we can access through Keras. Professor Reza is our teaching instructor of Applied Machine Learning. He has over 28 years of experience in the computer field. He is not only a college and universities professor, also a journalist and senior developer. This is the question for assignment 1. Now I am going to explain my assignment. I have imported the data according to the instruction given in the assignment. In question number 1, dimensions of train underscore images, train underscore labels, test underscore images, test underscore labels are shown using shape method. In question number 2, lengths of train underscore labels and test underscore labels are shown using len method. In number 3, train underscore labels, test underscore labels is showing sum of train and test labels. And question number 4, train underscore images is showing the digital content of image index 5. Number 5, plot the image of the index 5 in the training dataset using the matplot.imageShow method. In question number 6, the label for the index 5 in the train underscore label using given data in the assignment from the list, it is Pullover. In number 7, show the digital content of image index 500 in the testing dataset. In question number 8, plot the image of the index 500 in the testing dataset by using matplotlib.imageShow method. In number 9, label for the index 500 in the test underscore label and looking up in the above list, it is Pullover. In number 10, import models and layers from the Keras library. In number 11, it defines a sequential model it has named as my network. In 12, reshape the images from 28 into 28 to one column with 784 neurons. Question number 13, normalize the image digital data by dividing the image by 255. In question number 14, I have added hidden layer that has 512 neurons by using add method, and I have uses relay activation function. In 15, add another hidden layer that has 128 neurons. The activation function is relay. In question number 16, I have added the list layer as a 10 neuron output dense layer. The activation function is softmax. In question number 17, there is two parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. I have compiled the above model by using given parameters. When compiled using parameters in the part 1 and part 2, the accuracy of the test data is approximately equal for both compile methods, but loss is high for the test data in the part 2 compile parameters. In question number 18 also there is two parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. I have fit the above 17 to compile parameters model separately for 10 epochs. In question number 19, infer from the differences in the accuracy for different dataset, same neural network model trained differently with different weights. The training and the testing accuracy also changes. Reason for accuracy change: for different set of data and output will change because the dimension and value of the data will change. The last one, in question number 20, we don't have the overfitting because the accuracy of the test data approximately equal to the accuracy of the trained data. Thank you for listening me. I hope you really enjoy it.